Hey guys, I'm showing you this car mobile holder, and you can say that it can hold the phone as well as like there's two way to use it. So this one is for the vent and the other one is for the dashboard. So you can use it in a different ways. So I'm just doing the unboxing first and showing you all these details. So this is all different type of adjustment that you can do in all different positions. So all these different adjustment you can do here. This is the suction cup that you have to remove this protective covering first and then put it on your dashboard or the car or anywhere you want. And if it's somehow doesn't fit well on your dashboard, you can use this one to stick on the dashboard and then put this one. So they provided you like almost everything that you can use, and this is for the vent that you can just put it in the vent there, like in the vent, and then close it so that you can use this holder there. So this is the main holder where the mobile will come. It's flexible and the mobile can slide in easily without any harm to the mobile. So now how to put it? So just unlock or the unscrew this one to the full. So I think I need to unscrew it to the fullest and then add it here, then just slide it in and lock it back again. So this way this holder can be fixed very nicely and holds well. So for any mobile, you can just put in the mobile, it will just slide in. So no issue with the mobile in the sliding in and using it. You can see like you can adjust the way you want and the mobile will hold. So any size mobile will fit. So this is the side way I'm just showing you. So the any mobile can fit in this and there is no issue with the holding of the mobile and from the sides. And this one is for the vent that you can adjust the same way, this holder into the vent, and then you can put this in the vent, car vent, and lock it so that it will not go anywhere and you can easily use it. So this is all 2-in-1 and very nice phone holder.